Don't really want to have to use these gloves, but it's cloudy and 55. By the way, this is like extremely odd for someone to be on a motorcycle right now. I can almost guarantee you we will not see another motorcycle. Every once in a while you'll see one of the dirt bike looking bigger ones in this type of weather. Mostly it's just me out here. That's because I only have a 10-minute ride. Oh, scraping. I found these little pegs that I want. They're like $15, and when your peg scrapes, it blows sparks. Wouldn't that be fun? We'll throw a little GoPro on there, get some shots. Shots. Whee! I like to go fast. I hope you do too. You better watch out, or I will pass you. I just made that one up. Do you like that? A little song for you. Oh yeah, Mark Road. That's fun. That's very fun. Nope. Yep. You don't have no doors. That could be a problem. Does he know he doesn't have any doors? I mean, that looks like stuff that could fall out, doesn't it? Ah, 6 miles per gallon? I get better than that. I also missed the gear. There's a cop. Hello, sir, or ma'am. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. It's probably a good thing I missed the gear. It's just funny because I leaned into it and then it went to neutral. And then it's like, you know, that little rappy sound. That's what it sounds like. I'm not the best with these honking gloves on either. It just makes you just not as nimble. And then you got this neck thing. Oh, I should have turned right there. What was I thinking? Soft downshift. Soft downshift. Hard acceleration. Okay. Fun time over. Never rode in these shoes before, and the shoelace just got caught on the clutch, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. Okay, I'm really excited because yeah, because I have a computer programmer for my Suburban that somebody gave me, kind of like the one I have on my bike. The company just sent me a reset for it. A friend had given it to me, but it had been locked to another vehicle, but it's older, so they just were like, yeah, we'll just reset it for you. Just run the update on it and it'll go back to factory. So I'm headed home to test it out. I don't know if I'll have time though, because I got to eat dinner and get my kids back. Yeah, 59. That's right, December 1st, 59 degrees. Welcome to Iowa, where tomorrow it will be -20 and 2 feet of snow. That was illegal. Wow. Just turned right in front of that guy. Not legal. Which means I should probably keep my distance. But probably, yeah, 12-year-old on a cell phone. Kind of don't want to be in front of him. I got a car between us at least. A little buffer. Red Bull. It gives you wings. You got those in your city where they just drive around and they hand out Red Bulls? They just find people. I can't remember what I was doing one time. Oh, I was at a college campus. Actually, that one right there. And I was helping people move in to college because that's what we used to do for part of a college ministry at our church. And I'm pretty sure a couple people walked up and handed us Red Bulls. I like how the Red Bull car... First of all, what kind of car is that? That's what I want to know, first of all. What kind of car is it from the factory? Second, they have an LED light on the can. That's hilarious. If you just get over, I could... You just get over. I just want to see the Red Bull car. Come on now. Oh, what's happening? Oh, where you going? Fire station? There's the Red Bull car. We finally saw the Red Bull car. Okay, so what is that? Oh, it's a whatchamacallit. It's always young girls also. Just saying. Is it a Mini? Yeah, look at the wheel. It says a Mini. It says it right on the back too. It's a Mini Cooper. That is a heavily modified car. I think I spun my tire a little bit back there. I like to go fast! Adrenaline racing. That's what I like right there. Adrenaline racing. It's the thing. Problem is, I don't get adrenaline much anymore from this thing. That's why I want to have the the computer reprogrammed. Because I heard there's a little bit of a, restrictiveness in first gear, second gear. And I don't like that. I want all of the power. Like this Hemi in front of us. Bye, Hemi.